Good morning, guys. What's up, dude?
What's up?
So this is my sidekick for the day. He is working on the my 94 Mustang. He's gonna take the front bumper off, aren't you? So I'm gonna get him a baggie so he can put all the bolts in it. He knows to put them in when he's done. Put it in there. So he's gonna get to work here, and we'll show you the progress here in a little bit. Hey, we're back on the 94 Mustang. Let's see how far the little man got here. And got that all undone. We got all the bolts bagged and tagged there. And you can see, I shown before, I hit like HOA gate. It closed on me. So this is all trash. So once the bumper comes off, we can undo that from the bumper.
There's some right there. There's some on the hood too. And
once this is off, then I'll show them how to take the fenders off. Because we're going to see if we want to paint this or not. Or clean it up. All right. So you're going to tell them.
Good morning, guys.
Working on the 94 Mustang.
Working on the 94 Mustang.
Took the bumper off.
Took the bumper off. Over there.
We took the foam off.
Foam
I'll
off.
show you the damage from my little fender bender. We're going to bend this back. Bend this out a little bit so we can get this foam piece out. On bolts here and there. And then we'll go from there. Later, guys. You got my assistant.
Probably just made it worse right now.
He's popping the plastic fenders out, inner fenders. He's going to do both sides. He's got one clip left. And he can probably pull it out. And then, so when he's done with that, I'm going to have him do the other side. And I'll get you guys another video. Oh, what'd you finish? You got both sides done?
Yep.
Oh, they're sitting right there. Should we show the other side real quick?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it.
Nice.
That side all done?
Yep.
Okay. Well, I'm going to let you go take a break. Okay?
All right.
And I'll show you how to take the fenders off. All right. What do you say?